It's December 14, and today in Philippine history, Diego Silang declared the independence of Ilocania. Diego Silang was born in 1730 in Aringay, Pangasinan. As a young man, he worked as a messenger for Spanish priests in Vigan. As an adult, he began to hold grievances against heavy taxation and abuses of the church. He also believed strongly in the right of Filipinos to self-government. He fell in love with a Tingian woman, Gabriela Carino. She was the widow of a wealthy businessman from Abra. They got married in 1757. She was 26, he was 27. When the 7 Years' War raged in Europe from 1756 to 1763, Spain allied with France against Britain. The British wanted to weaken the Spanish Empire. They sent their naval forces and conquered Manila in October 1762. The acting governor of Manila, Archbishop Manuel Rojo, was captured and he surrendered the Philippines to the invading forces. The most senior Spanish official, Simon de Anda, escaped with documents and money, and he set up a provisional government and army in Bulacan. This setback experienced by Spain inspired uprisings as far as Ilocos Norte and Cagayan. Diego Silang commanded an army. He was designated governor of Ilocos during the British occupation of the Philippines. He declared the independence of Ilocania and proclaimed Vigan as capital on December 14, 1762, 2 days before his 32nd birthday. The 7 Years' War ended with the signing of the Treaty of Paris the following year in February 1763. The Spanish church authorities then paid for the assassination of Diego Silang. He was betrayed and killed by his friends, Spanish Ilocano mestizo Miguel Vicos, assisted by Pedro Becbec in May 1763. After Diego's death, his wife Gabriela took command of his army. She attempted to take control of Vigan but was captured. She and her men were summarily hanged on September 20, 1763. A touch of trivia. We do not have a drawing, much less a photo of Diego Silang or Gabriela Silang. The images and statues with the signature salakot that honor them are artists' interpretation. Diba?
Meow meow.